Listen up, my curious CHATBOUT family. Tonight we're diving deep into the Halloween history. And trust me, this story is more twisted than my grandmother's maze of a garden. But before anyone start run, remember, I'm here to guide you through all this Duppy business. Now hold on to your wigs because we're going back, way back, 2,000 years to be exact, in ancient Ireland. Yes, people, before Guinness was even a thing. The Celtic people had this festival called Samhain, and let me tell you something, these people believe October 31st was when the spirit world and our world became closer than two peas in a pot of rice. Now I know my Jamaican people are thinking, lad, these people are crazy, but yet it gets better. Now in the 8th century, the church decided to shake things up like a good rum punch. Pope Gregory III said, let's make November 1st All Saints' Day. And the night before, they called it All Hallows' Eve. You'll see where this is going, right? All Hallows' Eve turned into Halloween faster than my mama could spot dirt in a clean house. When the Irish people came to America, they brought their traditions like they were packing their Sunday best. And check this, they used to carve turnips for lanterns. Turnips! No wonder those spirits stayed far. But then they found pumpkins in America and said, now this is what I'm talking about. These days, Halloween gone international like a viral TikTok dance. But let me tell you something. In Jamaica, we take our Duppy business serious. You won't catch nobody playing Ghost in rural Jamaica. Trust and believe me, if something white was floating down the road in Jamaica, nobody has stopped to check to see if that's a Halloween costume. So now when you dress up like Spider-Man or Wonder Woman, you're actually following them ancient Celts who used to dress up to confuse the spirits. Although, between you and me, if a spirit can't tell that's a bedsheet with eye holes, then that the spirit need glasses. So there you have it, family. Halloween isn't just about candy and costumes. It's about 2,000 years of history, culture, and people finding creative ways to do with spirits. And whether you're trick-or-treated in New York or telling Duppy stories in Jamaica, remember, some traditions are universal, like running when you see something you can't explain.